Ladies and gentlemen, war is hell. Oh yeah, so that is a bit broken. Rocket launchers are underpowered as fuck. Fuck! Oh, that bitch again! Yeah, rocket launchers are so very, very, very underpowered. I mean, I don't know about you, and grenades are overpowered. I know, it's weird. I mean, I don't know about you, but if I got hit by an RPG, I'm pretty sure that I would die. Yeah, I would die. That's just the end of the statement, really, isn't it? Whereas, if a grenade lands in the room next to me, there's a quite high chance that I'd survive. Well, in this game, it's the opposite. Where the fuck did he go? Fuck! Fuck! How did you not die? That is a sniper at fucking close range! Oh, I can spawn here. Don't care. Spawn here. I'm not salty, I swear. This little bit here allows me to put in some Jimi Hendrix music. Oh, for fuck's sake. There's another one. Wounded. Come on. Papa needs a new pair of shoes. Okay, so we've basically won this game. Because we've taken 2 objectives and pushed them insanely hard. My KD must be positive. 4 to 5. My KD is not positive. Oh my fuck.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen.
My editing sometimes gets a bit out of hand. But I have actually learnt new things. Like right now I'm talking in your left ear. And now I'm in your right one. Look at that shit. That shit's cool as fuck. Fuck! Smart move, imp, smart move. You know, your plans, they just go so well. You say, oh, I'll do this because this will work so well. Does it? No. Who the fuck are you fooling? See, what people take for granted is Great British Rage. Because that is some salty ass rage. What is it called? There it is. You don't snap ya. As the French would say. Every time I talk about French people, something bad happens. I mean, if you watch my Rocket League series on my fucking channel, you see, I say mon ami, and they fucking, like, they score against me. I talk French, they score against me. I mention the French, I die in it. Yeah, that's right, they're fucking off. They realised I got some heavy armour. I got some heavy ah, fuck! That's right, driving off. Hold on, you don't escape me, boyo. That's right, you looked death in the face before I fucking blew up you in your armoured coffin. Fuck it. Ah, fuck. Ha!